and Indian markets have opened after yesterday's giant rally with a positive start. So the breadth is, I think, the most powerful thing, and that is where you could actually see this catch me if you can kind of in syndrome, the FOMO crowd, the Johnny come lately kind of syndrome. Block deal in Patanjali down 2.5%, but there is another block deal I think in Godrej Agrovet. Let's get it verified because there also it's popping up on my screen. But in terms of the real price action, there's a downgrade in Motherson Sumi from Citi. Let's look at it. Then you've got metals which are just about holding on nicely and smartly. But in terms of the real firepower, both on transaction and also in terms of the real volume, I think it is Edelweiss Financials, Nazara, bit of a news at play, and then it is nothing actually could be called as a giant mover. And Motherson Sumi I think is reacting to, like what I just said, that downgrade from Citi.
Yeah. Okay, bunch of other stocks. Want to check in definitely on Bharti, what Zomato is up to, given the upgrades on both these stocks. Also on Bharti Hexacom. Bharti, of course, is taking it a bit easy right now, as is Zomato, which is at 282 levels. Bharti Hexa, post the Jefferies upgrade, it's up to its target price to 1600 now. So that's the other one which is in focus. There's Tata Power, wherein Tata Power Renewable and Tata Motors have signed an MOU. They're going to be setting up 200 fast charging stations for EVs. And then, of course, BPCL, wherein the approval for the joint venture agreement with Sembcorp Green Hydrogen India has happened. So that's the other stock which is in focus this morning. Bunch of other, stocks which we're going to be talking about. Let's see what Honasa is up to after yesterday's block deal. The sellers list and the buyers list is out. Sequoia Capital has been a seller. Morgan Stanley Asia, ICICI Pru have been the buyers there. There's also PNB Housing Asia Opportunities has been the seller. The Singapore government has been among buyers in yesterday's block deal. There's HG Infra. It's got an order win worth about over 700 crore rupees from Central Railway. So look out for that as well. And gold, we've not spoken about that. That's also hit an all-time high. That of $2,563 per ounce, mind you. So look out for what Muthoot, Manappuram, Senco, etc. They're all up to. Kalyan Jewellers holding up 2.5%. Titan also will come up for you on your screens. And then Nazara, they're also looking at making some investment in Pokerbazi, Moonshine Technologies, that's the parent company. They're looking at investing about almost 980 odd crore rupees in that company. But quiet start. Kunal, is it going to be anything close to yesterday? Quiet and then a pickup?
Well, not like yesterday, because yesterday was exceptional in terms of the short covering for the options front. Today it's not the expiry, so traders probably have the leeway of holding on to their positions. But in terms of the opening trade, I would probably believe that many of these NBFC names, they've started to look very attractive, and even the financial names. So I'd probably pick Kotak Bank as a breakout candidate about the 1805 levels.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.